Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm going to be going over how to install and use the ColorPick Eyedropper extension for Google Chrome. This is a very helpful extension when it comes to pinpointing the exact hex code of a color on a website, instead of having to try and guess what the color looks like when you're trying to design something or reuse that color again on your site. So to get started, just go to Google and type in ColorPick Eyedropper in the search bar. Click the very first result, and on this page, click the Add to Chrome button in the top right. Click Add Extension, and the extension will be added to your browser automatically. Then, if you want to go and use the extension, just go to whatever site you want to pick a color from, click the puzzle icon in the top right-hand corner, and then select ColorPick Eyedropper. You'll get a little pop-up showing how to use it, but we're just gonna sort of drag our mouse over wherever we want to select a color from, and as you can see, as I drag it, the color changes based on what is underneath the cursor. So let's say I wanted to take this Facebook blue. I'm just gonna hover right over it. I'm gonna click on it, and then I will right-click, click Copy, and then I'll go to Photoshop in this instance, and I want to make this background that exact color, so I'm just going to paste it into the color picker here, and boom, we have the exact same Facebook blue that we saw on this website. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.